1930년대 뉴욕, 놀랍게도 이 시대 역시 스파이더맨은 존재했습니다.
I grew up in this city, and I fell in love in this city. I used to be the Spider, this city's hero. That ended when Ruby died. I even bought a ring to make it official. Ruby once told me that with great power comes great responsibility. After that, I didn't want the power or the responsibility. So I went back to being just an ordinary man.
스파이더맨이었던 남자 벤은 5년 전 사랑하는 루비를 잃은 뒤 은퇴했고 생계를 위해 사설 탐정이 된 벤은 오늘도 낯선 남자의 뒤를 쫓고 있습니다.
You keep following me, it won't end the way you want it to.
Sorry, pal. Hey.
하지만 그 표적을 노리는 건 라이벌 탐정 도니골도 마찬가지였죠. 뒤늦게 뒤따라간 벤은 믿을 수 없는 광경을 목격합니다.
I tried to warn you.
What?
Now you're gonna burn.
Who hired you? Guy named Winston?
놀랍게도 두 탐정 모두 윈스턴이라는 동일한 인물에게 고용된 상태였습니다. 뒤가 굉장히 구린 상황이죠.
How'd it go with Addison?
Addison's dead.
You open?
No.
Yes.
It's about my wife. Look, I heard my wife on the phone this afternoon. She's going to meet this so-and-so at 8 o'clock tonight. So you'll do it. You'll take the case. $10 a day.
다음날 벤의 탐정사무소. 그렇게 윈스턴 사건을 뒤로한 채 벤은 불륜 사건부터 맡게 되었고 잠시 후 그의 오랜 친구이자 기자인 로비가 사무실을 찾아오는데
Sorry I'm late. I was chasing a story. So what you hiding over there, another cheating spouse? I thought you said you weren't going to take those anymore.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Says the man who has chosen. Have you seen it out there?
Ever since the spider disappeared, Silvermane's got this city by the throat. Crime is out of control, and the police are completely in his pocket.
The people could use a hero.
I hope they find someone. There's always going to be another Silvermane, Robbie.
I can't help but wonder what Ruby would think if she heard you talking like that.
Ruby's been dead a long time.
실버메인에게 잠식당해 썩어가는 도시의 소식을 듣고서도 상처받은 영웅은 이제 무거운 책임감을 그저 외면하려 합니다.
So what's this proposition you got? And why they wanted him so bad?
So you got a plan.
Can you be sober by 9 a.m. tomorrow?
그렇게 도니골과 손을 잡고 돌아서는데 불륜 의심녀 카메디의 움직임이 포착됩니다. 그렇게 카메디의 행선지에 다다르는 벤.
Come here.
다음날 아침 사무실에서 그를 기다리고 있던 건 다름 아닌 윈스턴이었습니다.
You told me you know where Addison.
Actually, the price has gone up. So I'm not telling you for a penny less than 200.
But give me one good reason I shouldn't plug you.
How about 38 reasons?
I doubt your organs will know the difference.
You didn't cook this up on your own. Janet will keep the 30 as a tip.
Real cute.
일단 윈스턴을 돌려보낸 뒤 작전대로 도니골이 그의 뒤를 밟았고 그런 도니골이 도달한 곳은 다름 아닌 도시의 실세, 실버메인의 은신처였습니다.
Phony.
Shakedown.
왜인지 에디슨은 실버메인을 죽이려 했었고 실버메인은 그 배우를 찾고 있었습니다.
We're the only ones who know Addison's dead.
You do what you want. I'm leaving this one alone.
거물 실버메인이 얽혀있자 벤은 즉시 사건에서 손을 때렸는데 돌아와 미행했던 사진을 확인하는데 세상의 불륜남이 뉴욕시장 모리스였습니다.
I believe in you, the dedicated woman. We've lost our hero, but I believe we can be our own hero.
Like I said, your wife was alone the entire night.
벤은 시장에 관련된 걸 확인하자 불륜을 덮고 넘어가려 하는데 단순한 불륜이 아닌 시장을 몰락시키기 위해 설계된 함정임을 간파했기 때문이었죠.
We needed that money.
Oh, someone trying to smear the marriage. She isn't married to that syphilitic walrus.
Another headache, huh? That Sixth Sense thing?
하지만 당장 사무실 유지비가 급했던 벤은
What about selling the photographs to the woman?
Blackmail, huh?
벤은 로비를 만나 시장과 함께 있던 여자의 정보를 얻으려는데
Any chance you know who this is?
Oh, that's Cat Hardy. Back in the day, you wouldn't have had to ask.
5 minutes. Sure, 3.
Well, what are you looking for, anyway?
Friend gave me a tip something's off with the body.
Any idea where I can find this Cat Hardy lady?
She is the star attraction over at the alcove. Huh. Say, does this look like a guy who died in a fire to you?
The ID him yet?
James Addison.
Do me a favor, hold off on printing that. I want to warn a friend before he gets himself killed.
What's going on, Ben? Does this guy have superpowers?
Forget about it, Robbie.
위험을 감지하고 멈춘 벤과 달리 탐욕스러운 도니골은 실버메인을 상대로 단가를 올리려 했고 연락이 닿지 않는 도니골을 뒤로 벤은 가수 캣을 찾아 엘코브 극장으로 향하는데
Ladies and gentlemen, Cat Hardy.
이 캣의 매혹적인 노래에 단숨에 마음을 빼앗긴 순간 넉넉고 공연을 보던 그의 뒤로 실버메인의 하수인 윈스턴이 스쳐 지나갑니다. 바로 이곳에서 실버메인 또한 그녀를 감상하고 있었던 거죠.
Damn it, Donegal. Where the hell are you?
한편 실버메인의 지하실에 감금되어 처참하게 고문당하고 있는 도니골.
Told you I had to kill her right.
Evening, friend. So I'm going to make this quick, okay? I'd just like to hear where Addison is. Do you know?
I shot him dead.
And what about the name of the man who hired Addison to kill me?
I don't know.
It's all over. Make sure Addison is really dead and bring me the other private dick.
한편 예정대로 벤은 캣을 협박해 돈을 뜯어내기 위해 접근합니다.
Is there somewhere we can talk? It concerns your trip to the Red Cliff last night. I thought you might find that useful. And perhaps tomorrow we can discuss the price of the negatives over lunch.
하지만 캣의 전담 경호원 플린트가 곧바로 벤의 뒤를 미행하기 시작했고 미행을 진작 눈치챈 벤은 플린트를 어두운 건물 옥상으로 유인하는데
I like those negatives, please.
You don't even want to catch your breath? I know a terrific hamburger joint. How about a drink?
Why be stubborn? The negatives. I drop you.
I'm not really scared of heights.
손쉽게 플린트를 쓰러뜨리고 돌아가려던 그때 또다시 충격적인 광경을 마주합니다.
Plant?
Don't hurt him. Are you okay?
What the hell is this?
Just leave us alone, please.
Here are the negatives on the house.
다음날 아침이 밝자마자 캣이 벤의 사무실로 찾아옵니다.
Cat Hardy.
I came here to offer him a job. My friend Flint, the one you met last night, he's disappeared.
실버메인이 다시 등장합니다.
Gonna meet a new supplier at the docks tomorrow.
You didn't tell me that. It's not smart for you to go out in public till we know who tried to take you out. You pay me to keep you alive, and I'm telling you it's a bad idea. And I need you to stay alive and in power.
You finished? Now Flint goes missing right after. Now if those two things are related, go look for Flint.
왠지 실버메인은 자신을 죽이려던 에디슨뿐만 아니라 행방불명된 플린트까지 추적하기 시작했고
What, Marco? Anybody home?
단서를 수색하던 벤에게 한 장의 사진이 포착됩니다.
Flint, Silvermane wants to talk to you. Check the bedroom.
하필 그곳에 때맞춰 실버메인의 하수인 윈스턴이 찾아옵니다. 다행히 윈스턴은 그대로 돌아갔고 그 사이 비서 제닛이 플린트의 정체를 알아내는데
Quite the record, our Mr. Marco. Small crimes, then bigger ones. Now, an enforcer for
Silvermane,
Moose Sargon. Is that?
Addison. Looks like they were in the war together. I don't think I've ever heard that one.
It's an original.
Visited Flint's apartment today. Does it mean anything to you?
I knew he was in the war.
You see him? This little guy right over here?
Can't say I've ever seen him.
Addis. He's the guy that burned down Silvermane's mansion.
The world's a dangerous place.
You're pretty cool under pressure.
I wasn't aware I was under any. Flint's a good way to protect his investment. You trying to get me, Mr. Riley?
Seems you got my number.
You see, I have business with Silvermane, and I have business with you, Mr. Riley. Now, have I said enough for you to keep the money you came here to return?
No, I'll keep working the case. Maybe a detective just got to know all the answers.
캣과의 팽팽한 기싸움을 마치고 집으로 돌아온 벤. 하지만 그를 기다리는 불청객들이 있었는데
Tai Chi.
We don't care either.
Mind telling me why I'm here?
Maybe you wouldn't be here if you didn't try ripping the boss off.
I didn't have anything to do with this little scheme. I got no idea who hired Addison to burn down your boss's house. By the way, I am sorry about the nose.
That was him.
Where'd he go?
다음날 모리스 시장의 재선 연설 현장에서 로비와 벤이 다시 만납니다.
Let's just say you should lay off the Addison reporting. Wasn't know who's coming after him, so tread.
I'm not the one with the face that looks like hamburger meat.
I've done it with his guys before.
You'll never go thirsty again!
The choice is to suit up or die.
Oh, come on, Robbie. Enough of that.
I don't publish. I don't eat, my friend.
I've been thinking about the Canadians. Go ahead of me. Scout it out.
Well, I think it's stylish. I'm not one for fashion. Tired.
Honestly, I think it's...
It's perfect.
벤의 만류에도 불구하고 기자 정신이 발동한 로비는 에디슨의 흔적을 쫓기 시작했고
Mrs. Addison.
Who are you?
Hey, brother.
Don't hey brother me.
Looking for Vera Addison? Well, I am a reporter working a story on James Addison's death.
Jimmy's dead.
Oh, I'm sorry. You guys were friends.
How did he die?
There was an explosion.
Why are you writing about him?
He burned down the wrong house. Silvermane.
Try the Jeffrey Hotel.
Thanks.
그 사이 실버메인의 부하들은 벤의 사무실까지 난입해 비서 제닛을 협박하죠.
Janet, did they hurt you?
But they said they'd be back. They kept saying that I'd end up like Donegal. What does that mean?
It means Donegal's dead.
Ever since Ruby died, I've been waiting for you to get it back together. And this is how it ends. I care about you, Ben, but not enough to die for you.
Janet!
결국 든든한 조력자였던 제닛마저 떠나자 벤은 깊은 고뇌에 빠지는데 벤은 느닷없이 배관공으로 변장한 채 어느 평범한 가정집의 문을 두드렸고
Bathroom's that way.
Well, don't just stand there. Say something.
It's the limit of the mission joint.
사실 이곳은 그가 과거에 살던 집이었습니다. 벽 뒤에 봉인해 두었던 스파이더맨 슈트를 다시 세상 밖으로 꺼내옵니다.
I don't think that guy was a plumber.
그 시각 로비는 에디슨의 아내가 묵고 있다는 제프리 호텔에 도착합니다.
Mrs. Addison, my name is Robbie Robertson. I'm a reporter. I just told you your husband died. You already knew.
James was a lot of things, but not the type to cut and run.
When did he start setting fires?
6 months ago.
Who hired him for the Silvermane job?
James dug his own grave, and now he's lying in it.
This place feels haunted. Jimmy Addison's dead.
What?
You didn't know.
If I'd known, I would have stopped him.
Flynn, you don't look so good.
Never change back.
Our clocks are ticking.
We deserve better, you and I.
Better for us to stick together right now.
한편 윈스턴은 안전한 거래를 위해 캐나다에서 밀수된 화물들을 샅샅이 검사하고
Shipment's good, boss.
안전을 확인한 실버메인이 거래 장소로 향하기 시작하던 그때 누아르 수트를 입은 스파이더맨이 등장합니다.
Shoot him!
guess you do.
Well, what the hell are you waiting for?
Not another step.
See? Tai Chi.
It's been a while.
I'm here because of Ben Riley.
Sorry, where are my manners? Do you want a drink?
He doesn't know who tried to kill you, and roughing up his secretary isn't going to change that. If you mess with Riley or any of his people, I will kill you.
다시는 벤을 건드리지 말라는 경고를 남긴 채 사무실로 복귀하는 벤. 그제야 겨우 한숨 돌리려던 그때
This you? This you're doing?
Stock Silvermane's car? Cops had an ambush set up for Silvermane at the docks.
Someone tipped off the cops about a Silvermane booze exchange?
Cops were all set to catch the man himself in the act, but Silvermane never showed.
자신의 행동이 오히려 실버메인의 체포를 방해한 사실을 알게 됩니다.
What the hell did I just do?
공들였던 실버메인 체포는 완전히 수포로 돌아갔고 로비는 곧장 벤의 사무실로 찾아오는데
Son of a bitch. He's the one who pointed me to Addison's widow.
Two men with weird powers all of a sudden. What are the chances?
Ask him some more questions.
Thinking I want you to check if those three were ever POWs.
바로 그때 실버메인이 사무실 문을 열고 들어옵니다.
I come in peace. We haven't been formally introduced, but I believe you owe the lady an apology. Come on, Riley, I've got a job for you.
스파이더맨의 살벌한 경고 탓에 더는 벤을 함부로 건드릴 수 없게 된 실버메인은 차라리 벤을 고용해 자신을 죽이려 했던 배우를 추적하기로 합니다.
Got any leads? You know it's probably someone on the inside.
Start with the police raid, but the only thing you can trust is human nature. People lie, Riley. Only money tells the truth. There'll be a bonus if you finish the job.
So that's how you fixed it. We work for him now.
Wait a minute.
You didn't know they made bills that big?
Crafty bastard marks all of his bills. He's marking mine. He's probably marking hers.
Anything?
Bingo.
당연하게도 캐색에 받은 지폐에도 실버메인의 표식이 있었고 벤은 거래 현장 습격 당시 부상을 입었다는 경찰의 병실을 찾아가는데
Quite the scene you walked into last night. You're a very brave man.
Doesn't feel like it.
So who told you where to go?
실버메인을 죽이려 에디슨을 고용한 인물과 이번 밀거래 제보를 흘린 인물이 동일인이라고 생각한 거죠.
Think you can say no to the chief of police? Like to see you try. When the chief tells you these orders came straight from Mayor Morris.
한편 로비는 자신에게 정보를 제공해준 로니를 애타게 찾고 있는데 그 와중 경찰이 들이닥쳐 무자비한 철거를 시작하고
Mayor Morris, this illegal camp should be cleared!
Go of me! Help me! Lonnie!
I told you to get out!
로비가 이들의 믿기 힘든 초능력을 카메라에 담는 사이 벤은 캣을 자신의 아내라 속이며 불륜 의뢰를 맡겼던 남자를 찾아가는데
Be a good boy and I'll pay you for your trouble. Who hired you to get those photos of the mayor and Cat Hardy?
I'm a smut merchant. Would have gotten them myself, too, but
He called her?
she called him. Oh, I thought it'd be a gold mine to get out of this shithole. Here we are.
Is there a back way out of here?
결국 실버메인을 죽이려 했던 배우가 캣이라는 결론을 내린 벤은 곧장 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
Fact is, I had to take a pause on Flint. Silvermane turned up today and hired me to find a rat in his crew. You didn't like hearing that.
당연하게도 캣은 벤의 날카로운 추리를 완강히 부인하지만 이미 확신이 선 벤은 일단 한 발 물러서서 상황을 지켜보기로 합니다.
Anything you want to tell me?
You would be too.
그때 입지가 애매해진 윈스턴이 벤에게 접근해 은밀한 제안을 건넵니다.
Must sting not being trusted by the big boss anymore.
He'll know he can trust me soon enough. There's nothing worse than a man that's only loyal to money. You come to me first. Come on, Gio.
그렇게 윈스턴에게 받은 착수금에도 역시 실버메인의 표식이 있었죠. 한편 동료기자 로비는 사건의 실마리를 풀기 위해 독자적인 조사를 이어가고 피해자들이 전부 과거 포로 수용소에 함께 갇혔던 전우들이라는 사실을 밝혀냅니다. 하지만 벤은 초능력의 비밀을 밝히는 것보다 실버메인의 표적이 되어 목숨이 위험해진 캣을 지키는 일이 훨씬 시급했습니다.
Silvermane hired me to find the rat in his crew, and it's Cat Hardy. Winston's only a step away, and if he finds out she was behind it, he'll kill her. I need Vera Addison's room number at the Jeffrey.
벤은 캣을 보호하기 위해 사건의 또 다른 열쇠를 쥔 에디슨의 미망인 베라를 찾아갑니다. 베라 역시 캣이 자신의 남편을 고용해 실버메인을 청부살인하려 했다는 내막을 전부 알고 있었죠.
And if you're protecting her, I've got a proposition for you. You pay me $1,000, and I'm gone. I bet Silvermane has that and then some. I'll just tell him it's Cat myself.
I'll get you your money.
베라에게 줄 돈을 마련하기 위해 벤은 무려 실버메인의 금고를 털기로 하는데
Whoever the rat turns out to be, you can't be emotional about it.
You know who it is, don't you?
No matter what I know until I can prove it.
일단 조력자 하나를 섭외합니다.
So I want you to be me, you know, like one of those guys in the movies. You know, you can wear the hat, you can smoke a cigarette, you're cool. I need to rely on you, Frankie. I'm your man.
그렇게 알리바이를 마련하고
He's been up there all night.
Tonight's mystery hour is about to begin.
프랭키가 감시자들의 눈을 돌리는 사이 벤은 실버메인의 금고를 여는 데 성공합니다. 신문 편집장은 로비의 사진을 이용해 초능력자들을 괴물로, 경찰을 영웅으로 호도했고
I never called them monsters. See, that is not what happened.
Pictures are great.
벤은 금고에서 훔쳐낸 $1,000를 베라에게 건네며 입을 다물겠다는 약속을 받아냅니다.
You know what to do.
Hello?
It's Ben. I need to see you.
I'll explain when I get there. Just stay put.
It's the mayor. I want a line to the spider. I happen to know he's alive and well. You just tell your buddy that I need to talk to him. People are scared, and the city needs order. Silvermane is a ruthless criminal who has squeezed this city long enough.
I can't wait.
하지만 그 사이 신변의 위협을 느낀 캣이 몰래 기차역으로 떠나버리는데
Cat, you don't strike me as the kind of woman who runs.
간신히 캣을 붙잡지만 하필 벤을 미행하던 윈스턴이 이 장면을 목격하고 맙니다.
You asked me why I'm leaving?
Hey, Riley. There you are. I guess I am the luckiest guy in New York. Should have known you were in it together. Now the boss can take care of both of you.
그렇게 두 사람은 실버메인의 부하들에게 붙잡혀 어두운 숲속으로 끌려가게 됩니다.
Caught them both trying to skip town, boss. You didn't think you'd be seeing her again, did you?
윈스턴은 벤과 캣뿐만 아니라 비밀을 알고 있는 베라까지 납치해 한자리에 모았고
He told me that it was Cat Hardy, that she paid him $1,000 to burn down your mansion. It's not true.
Lying to the end, huh?
You got proof?
She couldn't quite manage to blow it all.
그리고 벤이 입막음용으로 건넸던 돈다발을 실버메인 앞에 증거로 제시합니다.
Did you know that I mark all my bills? Different spot for every schmuck on my payroll. Guess where I mark yours?
이 모든 건 벤의 함정이었습니다. 얼마 전 윈스턴의 돈을 받았던 벤이 표식을 확인해 미리 조작해둔 거죠.
You set me up.
Only money tells the truth.
I'll rip you goddamn.
You good with a shovel, Riley?
Why?
We'll be needing another grave.
No place to hide.
Winston was a stone-cold killer. Same goes for his pal, Gio. But it was a smart play, start to finish. I'm trying to pay you a compliment. Smart. Patient. Would have been a shame to have to kill her.
Beautiful song.
다음 날
Sleep well, sunshine. Truth is, I was up all night.
If you have something to say it.
Winston was the rat, but that doesn't answer what you were doing at the train station.
And if the PI had told you I was the rat?
I'd have put a bullet in you.
Well, there's your answer.
That's not an answer.
The truth is I was terrified, looking to lash out and feel like you're still invulnerable.
I was Riley with you at the station.
He was watching me. For you.
I'm glad you're back.
More coffee, boss?
한편 실버메인의 몰락을 감지한 경찰서장은 그의 호출을 무시하며 선을 긋기 시작하는데
I don't think Chief McNamara's coming, boss.
탈출에 실패한 캣은 벤을 불러내 다시 도움을 요청합니다.
He wanted to know why you were with me at the train station last night. He'll start asking questions about the raid, which might lead him to...
Mayor?
Seriously, why are you doing this?
Why'd you try to kill Silverman? What is this place?
It's where I used to perform before Silvermane found me. Could barely afford to put food in my stomach, but Silvermane tipped me more money than I'd ever seen in my life.
But you couldn't see the strings.
The only thing Silvermane gets off on is power. Who am I around? There was a man once, started coming to the club night after night. He was a dentist. if you can believe it.
Yeah, I heard about those guys.
After about a year, he surprised me with a ring. After Thomas suddenly stopped coming by, I thought maybe I had done something wrong. Could have just scared him off, but Silvermane had him killed.
But you did. With Flint.
More honor and loyalty than anyone I know.
And to do it, you needed Silvermane out of the picture. Tell me about Addison.
사실 캣은 플린트와 사랑에 빠져 야반 도주를 하려 실버메인을 죽이려 했었고, 대화를 엿듣던 플린트는 왜인지 격분하며 몸을 감춥니다.
Look who finally showed up.
My boy, looking all over the city for you. Don't worry about it. I'm just glad you're back. Money, power, they can corrupt anybody. You all right? You're welcome here no matter what. Got to warn you though, we've got a fight coming.
한편 기자 로빈은 할렘가에 은신 중인 로니를 찾아갑니다.
I'm alone, no cops. The story they printed wasn't what I gave them. Brother, let me help you. At least let's go somewhere more comfortable and talk. Should we talk about the powers when you got them? Or just where you're from?
로니가 입을 열지 않자
You a card player?
그 시각 벤은 캣에게 자신의 아픈 과거인 옛 연인 루비의 이야기를 들려줍니다.
Your turn.
There was this girl.
You want to tell me about her?
Her name was Ruby, and we were happy.
과거 벤이 감옥에 쳐넣었던 남자가 복수를 위해 루비를 살해한 것이었고, 그날 약속도 어기며 술에 취해 있던 벤은 결국 비극을 막지 못했습니다.
And I got there too late. He killed her to make me suffer. I'm the reason she's dead. If Ruby had never met me, she'd still be alive.
You saved me to make up for not saving her.
Lonnie, who's H?
My mom's.
What about the rest of your family?
Just my mom. After the war.
Yeah, it's hard going back to normal life.
Yeah, both mine served too.
Where at?
Frankfurt? Yeah, it took him a long time to get his head right after that.
The Germans got me too.
They did something to you all, didn't they?
그 시각 실버메인은 시장과 경찰서장에 있는 연회장을 직접 찾아가고
Silvermane! Good to see you.
Missed you at lunch today, Chief.
You look good. You in good health? You want the whole list or just the headlines? Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go.
I'll just let you fellas talk.
Sit down. I'm simply giving the people what they want.
Every 4 years, I decide who sits in that chair.
Well, apparently this particular asshole still has some cards left to play. Had to end sometime.
Oh, how silly of me. Flint, say hello to the mayor.
I'm not backing down.
You've got balls, Morris, I'll give you that much. He's asked for it. Let's give it to him.
When you were at the station, where were you going?
Away.
That sounds really boring.
With the right person. I didn't picture this.
We interrupt your program with a citywide alert. One of these super-powered monsters is terrorizing the Diamond District.
Did you hear me? That has to be Flint. Well, he was upset the last time we spoke.
Okay, then go.
You really are a coward.
All I know is that once it starts, it gets worse fast. You should talk to Doc Faber.
Riley, investigate.
Yeah, it's me. Head down to the Diamond District right now. Flint, wait. I thought you were someone else.
Yeah, I thought you was dead, huh? What are you doing here?
No, like I said.
Damn!
또 다른 초능력자였습니다.
He lives. And now for the main attraction.
Who the hell is this guy?
Spider, want some more?
Oh, man, fight back.
I think you still got it.
Damn straight.
마무리를 위해 도핑을 땡기고
Well played, Spider. But I'm all juiced up.
For now. Come on, bring it. That's it. Keep coming. Ow! Can I give you a hand with that?
스파이더맨의 복귀를 이용하려던 시장은 즉시 언론의 포즈를 취하고
No, not that.
Yeah, one more picture, one more.
전투를 마친 벤이 방으로 돌아오자
Come right on in. Make yourself at home. Everything cool?
Do you want to know what happened? What happened to your face?
Walked into a door.
Just tell me one thing. Nice to meet you, Mr. Spider.
그렇게 정체를 들킨 벤은 그녀에게 숨겨왔던 모든 진실을 밝히기로 합니다.
Tell yourself.
You already know how it ends. You were sent to liberate a small town in eastern France.
세계 1차 대전 당시 군인이었던 벤은 독일군에게 잡힌 포로를 구출하고 있었는데
Private Smith and I pressed deeper into the compound. Jesus.
그들은 독일군이 자행하던 슈퍼파워 프로젝트의 실험 피해자들이었습니다.
Burn it. Burn it all.
그날 이후 벤은 스파이더맨이 되었고 다시 평범한 인간으로 돌아갈 방법을 찾아 헤매왔죠.
If Flint was there, his powers must have come from the same place.
If something gave both of us these powers, maybe something could take him back.
Go back to being just Ben Reilly?
Since Ruby died, that's all I've thought about.
한편 초능력자들의 대결을 눈앞에서 취재한 로비는 데일리 뷰글의 편집장을 찾아갑니다.
You can call him Starman.
Still working his day job as a subway driver.
It's almost too good. The conductor. You got photos?
I'll let the Bugle publish my story on one condition.
Okay, calm down. What's the condition?
You run my piece as is, or not at all. And I want the Bugle to print a retraction about Lonnie Lincoln and Flint Marko.
로비가 신문사에서 입지를 다지는 사이 플린트는 로니를 찾아가는데
So the prodigal son returned home, huh?
That man takes care of his own.
But I'm done putting my life in the life of white man.
It won't be like that, Lonnie.
Silvermane want me to do his laundry?
실버메인의 밑에서 힘을 합치자며 동업을 제안하는 거죠.
Here's Silvermane out. That's all I'm asking.
그 시각 벤은 과거 전쟁 당시 독일군에서 슈퍼파워 프로젝트를 진행한 게 페이버 박사라는 걸 알게 되고
We should talk to Doc Faber.
They were all seeing the same doctor at the VA hospital in Queens. She is a geneticist.
And according to Lonnie, she sought them out 9 months ago.
Well then, let's go, Robbie.
You like this?
I do.
Too modern for my taste. Every son of a bitch, that Spider.
Well, I'm sure he's just trying to get by.
Is that what you were doing? Looks like you're doing a bit better than that. Winston isn't so lucky now, is he? There they are.
캣은 그곳에서 실버메인의 수하가 된 플린트와 마주합니다.
Welcome back. Wasn't sure what happened to you.
Should see him when he gets going. Unstoppable.
Nothing's gonna happen to you on my watch.
I'm sure you'll make a wonderful couple.
Alas, I have to talk business with the boys.
There's some paint upstairs I can watch dry.
한편 페이버 박사를 만나기 위해 벤과 로비는 외곽 지역 보훈병원으로 향합니다.
Is Dr. Faber in? Reporter with the Bugle? Just want to ask her a few questions.
I'll let our office know you're here.
There's a reporter downstairs from the Daily Bugle. He's asking to speak with you.
Mr. Robertson?
Pleasure to meet you. Don't suppose you saw my story in the Bugle this morning?
Let's speak outside.
로비가 박사의 시선을 끌며 시간을 버는 사이 벤은 몰래 연구실로 잠입해 단서를 찾기 시작합니다.
What can you tell me about those men? It's hard to remember all the patients you've seen over the years. Really expect me to believe you had no idea.
You are obviously a very intelligent man yourself. Sorry, I cannot help you.
You know, I'm hearing their powers only started after they started seeing...
Everything I do for a reason.
수많은 서류 더미 사이로 새어나오는 스파이더 센스.
So what do we do? What do we do?
Shut the door.
Hey, Dr. Collins. You're not Collins.
Dr. Collins is on the second floor.
The second floor. You don't like me very much. I know that man. He was the one who rescued us.
See, this must be one of them two-man jobs.
그렇게 새벽이 밝아오자 플린트와 로니는 전기 초능력자 레이든이 수감된 경찰서에 당당히 난입하는데
Shit.
You good?
그렇게 경찰서가 말끔히 정리되자 실버메인이 직접 레이든을 마주합니다.
That was quite the show you put on last night.
You know I'd offer you an autograph, but I don't have a pen.
I see you like to talk. Mayor Morris appears to have forgotten who runs this town. I want you to help me.
My only regret is that I have but one life to give you.
Get him out of there.
Thank you, comrade.
자료에 따르면 페이버 박사는 돌연변이들의 치료법을 찾으려다 오히려 변이를 가속화해버렸고 이로 인해 모든 초능력자들이 서서히 죽어가고 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다. 단 한 사람 스파이더맨인 벤을 제외하고 말이죠. 그리고 벤은 플린트가 죽어간다는 사실을 캣에게 먼저 알리기 위해 로비를 설득해 폭로기사 발행을 하루 뒤로 미루기로 합니다.
Riley.
그때 벤을 자신의 아지트로 호출한 건 다름 아닌 실버메인이었고
Take a seat.
벤은 이미 3명의 초능력자가 실버메인의 수하로 들어간 모습을 목격합니다.
You've assembled an entire outfield of freaks.
Calm down.
모리스 시장과의 전쟁이 시작될 테니 스파이더맨에게 빠지라 전해달라는 호출이었습니다.
It's in all our best interests to play nice.
You got it.
Hey, I know about Winston. I know you set him up, Riley, and I know you did it for her.
Her?
I didn't tell the boss because he would have killed the both of you. And mad as I am, I don't want Cat dead.
Keep doing Silvermane's dirty work, and maybe you won't be.
You get one pass because you saved her.
A hot dog at the game is better than roast beef at the Ritz.
벤은 복잡한 심경을 안고 일단 캣의 거처로 향합니다.
Clint's back with Silvermane.
I saw him this morning.
He knows you tried to kill Silvermane. He heard us talking the other night. Been seeing a doctor at the VA, a woman called Faber. She's been trying to come up with a cure, but she's only made them worse.
You mean Flint's gonna die?
All I know is every time he uses his powers, he gets a little closer. He says one word and we're both dead. We're chasing ghosts. What if we left New York, went someplace where nobody knows us? You could open your own club. Well, I'll run it or bartend, and I'll work for you. I'm willing to take a chance and find out.
Okay.
두 사람은 서로의 마음을 확인하며 함께 뉴욕을 떠나기로 약속하지만
Who is it?
Lottie Lincoln, ma'am.
Please, Flint, let me take a look at you. What I did for us.
Without telling me? What's funny is I would have killed him for you, but you never gave me the chance. Or why would you? I'm nothing but muscle for a gangster.
Please!
Stay away!
캣은 죽어가는 플린트를 살리기 위해 로니에게 해결책을 묻습니다.
There's really no hope.
Faber said there's only one thing left to try, but she couldn't make it happen.
What was it?
The spider. She thinks his mutation is different, more stable than ours. Problem is, she's got no idea who he is or where to find him.
그날 밤 비밀 자료를 털리고 도피를 준비하던 페이버 박사에게 캣이 찾아옵니다.
Dr. Faber, if you find the spider, are you really able to help them?
You know who the spider is, don't you? You have my word.
His name is Ben Riley.
스파이더맨의 정체를 알게 된 박사는 조수 오그던을 벤에게 보냈고
I'm not here to cause any trouble. I haven't had a gun in my hand since the war. You don't remember me. You saved my life.
Easy, old man.
They called me Freckles because I looked so young. I'm still breathing, but my mutation is aging me at a dog's clip. Dr. Faber is my last chance to survive.
You want a drink? How old are you?
36 in April. I mean, that's why I came here.
You're looking for the files. I don't have them.
If he prints that story, that's the end of Faber's work.
But it's too late.
And you won't even try? Would you want to be cured? I know who and what you really are.
Truth is, this is a part of me I wish never existed. I'm sorry, Freckles.
I can't change your mind.
물러설 곳이 없던 오그던은 벤을 강제로 페이버 박사에게 데려가기로 합니다.
Where am I?
My private laboratory. I just need to run some preliminary tests.
Uncuff me.
I have a lot of work to do and not a lot of time to do it.
Let me go and I won't kill you.
But we know what type of man you really are. You saved Ogden's life. You're not a murderer. You're a hero. Now I'm simply going to draw some blood. A child can sit through this.
This won't do you any good.
Science has advanced by leaps and bounds.
This is personal. You lost someone.
My son. Someone so close to you that it felt like a part of you was gone too. You can't bring your loved one back, Mr. Riley, but I can. There's nothing I won't do to keep him alive.
사실 조수 오그던은 페이버 박사의 친아들이었고 박사는 아들을 살리기 위해 필사적으로 치료법을 찾아온 겁니다.
Good. You're awake. I'm sorry. You gave me no option. So, you were just going to leave town. You could save me and the others.
Spider was never a hero.
But there's still time for you to become one.
Your mother is insane.
She's just trying to save me.
I'm going to have to harvest genetic material from your organ. What kind of a mother would I be if I didn't exhaust every option?
페이버 박사는 벤의 멀쩡한 장기들까지 꺼내며 실험을 진행하기로 했고
Oh my God.
벤의 간세포를 분석하던 박사는 정체불명의 빛나는 물질을 발견하게 됩니다.
It's time. Are you ready?
Are you sure this is gonna work?
It's already done.
실험의 결과는 완벽했습니다. 오그던은 젊음을 되찾았죠.
You really did it. I cannot believe it.
All right, clear this place out and get out of here.
We need to give Riley the antidote first.
We can't do that, Augie.
하지만 납치에 감금, 강제 수술까지 저질러버린 이상 벤을 살려둘 수 없는 박사.
What are you saying?
They will throw us both in prison. His life was always the price for yours.
I'll do it.
But, okay.
Don't.
Ogden,
Just promise me you won't hurt her.
I'm just trying to get home.
Let's get you home.
그러는 사이 로비의 기사를 본 실버메인은 곧장 페이버의 실험실로 향합니다. 초능력자들의 명단을 얻어내 초국가적 군대를 만들려는 생각이었죠.
These doors are getting bigger and bigger.
Marvelous, just marvelous. What are your plans?
I don't know.
The day, what's today? He's published the location of the lab. They'll be here any second.
How many do you think there are?
It's up and through there.
You're not coming?
I'm not leaving her.
You can't beat those guys.
She's my mom.
페이버 박사가 안정된 해독제를 완성한 순간 실버메인 일당이 들이닥치고
Up you get. You don't look that thrilled to see us. Quite the operation you've got going down here. You know who I am?
All I have ever tried to do is to help you all, every one of you.
I'm curious to know if there are others like them.
I could take you to them now.
Lead on, my dear.
그렇게 실험실 가장 깊은 곳으로 들어섰는데
My God. What is all this?
But they succumb to the mutations? No, that is...
It's Johnny. Johnny Forte.
적들의 시선이 박사에게 쏠린 tum을 타 벤은 조용히 슈트를 챙겨 탈출을 시도합니다.
You never cared about us.
That is not true.
These men was our comrades. Wait. I know you. I grabbed the gun. You put the knife in. Nobody shoots me, you little bastard. Enough! There's nothing here for us. Let's go. You're going to have to learn some impulse controls.
결국 연구실이 폭발하며 페이버와 오그더는 그 자리에서 사망하고 벤은 페이버가 만든 해독제를 챙겨 장소에서 탈출합니다.
What's left for us here?
Do you promise you won't hurt him?
What happened at the lab?
The good doctor was making freaks in her basement. She had nothing but a bunch of meat in big jars. The goddamn ground.
What's the point? What are you fighting for?
Use that club, it's danger. The doctor out of the picture, we know the score. It's the three of you to the mayor's one. So go forth and maraud. Raid the mayor's piggy bank. Buy voters for Hudson. You love it. You know you do.
See, now this. Oh, no.
You're the one in charge? Anybody home?
3인방은 모리스 시장의 선거자금 보관소를 습격해 돈을 털기 시작하고
You don't mind if we take some of these things, do you? We're gonna spread the wealth to the people of New York.
Oh, and when you see him, tell him Silvermane sends his regards.
Thank you very much.
벤을 팔아넘긴 죄책감에 시달리던 캣은 며칠 만에 벤의 탐정 사무실을 다시 찾아가지만
What's wrong?
Have you seen him? He never showed.
What? And you're only just now looking for him?
When was the last time you heard from him?
So who is it?
I don't know any more than that.
The Daily Bugle, please. Robbie Robertson. Yes, tell him Janet called. He'll know how to reach me.
If you hear anything, you can reach me at the alcove.
Damn it, Ben, where are you?
금고가 털린 참담한 광경을 목격한 모리스 시장은 분노를 금치 못하고
They're using my campaign money to fund my goddamn opponent. That you're letting Silvermane run roughshod all over my...
Two of my cops tried and got electrocuted.
What I want to know is what you plan on doing about it now. And if you can't fix this, I will find someone who can.
I don't think you're going to be in the position much longer to do anything about it.
Are you threatening me?
But without the spider, you're a three-legged horse running in quicksand. Now's the time to ring him up.
한편 믿었던 캣에게 배신당한 벤은 밤새 술만 퍼마시고 있었는데 하필 술집 사람들이 스파이더맨을 안주 삼아 씹어대기 시작합니다.
It looks like my mom after 10 loads of laundry.
Years haven't been good to him, I'll tell you that.
That guy loves the spotlight more than
Maybe the spider is a guy like anyone else. You ever think about that? He's swinging around burning buildings, saving people. Do you ever think he feels the heat?
Life is so hard. Hey, Mommy, I'm a big boy.
They kicked them into kingdom.
No one's on the house bell.
Janet's got me looking all over the city for you. Come on, let's go. You shouldn't be in here like this.
I don't want the spider anywhere. I can remedy that. Turn supers into run-of-the-mill schmuck.
Who the hell you are?
Hey! Give it back.
And I know that even in the state that you're in, you'd have taken it from me and finished it by now.
The Lady Judas betrayed me.
What about everyone else? The rest of New York?
I risked my life for them for years, and they hate me for it.
Will you sleep better if you take the antidote after having done nothing? You see, those men are soldiers, just like you. So what makes you deserve this antidote any more than they do? There's a blood feud going on between Silvermane and Morris. But I guess they're not worth saving because you couldn't save Ruby because you didn't know. This time, you have a choice.
벤이 마음을 다시 잡는 사이 캣에게 플린트가 찾아옵니다.
You were wearing this the first time I saw you.
What, do you remember how shy you were at first?
I was scared. Before you, I didn't think women like you even existed.
Tell me more.
And then for you to pick me out of all the men in the wall.
And do you know why I let you in? Anyone could see the good in me, and you pushed me to be better. I love you. Why can't you get that through your head?
But there's no coming back from this. His life, it's got no feel. And I'm long gone. We saw the truth. I don't care if I die.
No.
The dirt hit my casket before you went off with that private dick. I ain't gonna tell Silvermane. He's gonna find out what you did eventually.
벤은 해독제를 나눠 담고 모두가 치료에 성공하면 그때 자신도 치료하기로 하죠.
No more suffering, no more spider.
You thought this over?
For a long time.
하지만 그때 실버메인의 부하들이 경찰을 습격했다는 소식이 전해지고 공권력마저 힘없이 무너지며 뉴욕 전체가 실버메인의 손에 넘어갈 위기에 처하자
Take a bottle on your way out and vote for Hudson. Hey, vote for Hudson. What, you a child? Take it.
Lonnie. I pick my side. This is how it is now. I'm gonna enjoy whatever it is I do have.
This ain't...
Back off!
Lonnie, Robbie's just trying to help you. This doesn't have to be a fight.
You should have just let me be.
로비가 로니의 눈에 치료제를 꽂아 넣으며 벤은 위기를 넘겼고 급히 로니를 포함한 세 사람은 현장에서 탈출합니다.
Now we even. You gotta ditch the car and get him somewhere safe.
Shouldn't we get him a doctor?
Nah. He just needs to rest.
Oh, no. Are we still fighting?
No.
You need to rest.
Why'd he risk his life trying to help me?
He's a good person.
The hell is that? But I know who's gonna want to know.
The police chief is on his way. He's got news.
So, where you gonna go?
My mom's always wanted to see Niagara Falls. This city needs men like you. Just as much as it needs a guy like him. I hope they understand what you're worth. Everything you've done for me.
My man.
그렇게 완치된 로니는 도시를 떠나 새 삶을 시작하기로 하고 이 소식을 들은 실버메인과 모리스 시장 두 진영 모두 큰 충격을 받게 됩니다.
Which one?
We lost Lonnie.
That's right.
How?
The spider was there?
Stuck him with one of these. Whatever it is, brought the big fella down.
So Faber managed to give some of that stuff to the spider.
Got me, Ben Riley.
그 초능력자는 벤의 사무실 앞으로 찾아가 그를 기다리기 시작합니다.
I was like that once upon a time.
The crash is coming. You just can't feel it yet.
It's Kat. I need to see you.
로니가 치료된 걸 본 캣은 일말의 희망을 안고 제닛에게 연락합니다.
I was worried you weren't going. I deserved that.
Ben put everything on the line for you. That doctor cut him to pieces.
I can make it up to him.
You're a liar.
I did it for love.
For whose love?
Flint. But Ben is a good man. I promise I can make it up to him. If he gives me the antidote, I can inject Flint and Dirk with it. And it's not your choice to make. Ben can decide for himself.
Oh, I've been thinking, why are we running errands for this old man?
I suppose you don't believe in loyalty.
I call manipulation. If you didn't follow his orders.
Isn't that his secretary?
그 시각 벤의 사무실에서는 꼬마 프랭키가 제닛을 기다리고 있었고
Where you been? People's been looking all over for you. Robbing people for starters. Ben's over at his place.
그때 걸려온 전화.
But your boss Riley's in hot water. But every precinct in the city's looking for the guy.
Thank you, Hank.
제닛은 서둘러 벤에게 향하지만 실버메인의 수하들이 그녀의 뒤를 미행하고
Kat asked me to meet her.
What?
She wants you to give her the antidote so she can inject Flint. She says she can get close enough and they wouldn't see it coming.
Not such a bad idea.
Thank you.
You look like shit.
Why do I feel like I've met you before?
On your feet. The boss wants to talk to you.
그렇게 실버메인에게 붙잡힌 벤은 스파이더맨을 불러내라는 협박을 받게 됩니다.
I thought we were friends.
So I'll kindly ask you to lift the phone and call your spider friend.
It's what's it down on his luck, private investigator to do.
Okay then. 500.
5, but it don't end with 100.
1,000.
3.
2.
Deal.
Get this man a telephone.
I would have done it for 1. Okay. Well, listen, I'm here with Silvermane.
Tell him I just want to have a little chat.
Oh, you know what? Tell him yourself.
Mr. Spider, sir.
Uh-huh. Well, that is something to consider. Okay, fair enough.
He wants the antidote. He's on his way.
Great.
But the money was for delivery of the spider, not for the phone call.
3 to 1, the spider doesn't show.
What the hell is going on?
I'm earning myself some traveling money.
I swear I've met that guy somewhere.
So are you gonna give me the antidote?
Funny thing is, I believe you, but I don't have it.
하지만 그 순간 그리 좋지 않은 레이든의 기억력이 간만에 작동했고
That's where I know you from. You're the fellow that saved us from that BLW camp.
You guys are drunk.
Our private detective friend here was in the same POW camp as the two of you, and this very same man just happens to be best friends with the spider. I think the spider hasn't walked through that door yet because he's already sitting right here at my table. I'm a bit like you, a detective. So if I know a way to find out decisively, Ben Riley is a private dick who doesn't care about anybody else except himself. But the one thing I know about the spider is he cares. He's never been passive about innocent deaths. Give us your gun.
Cut it out, I'm not in the mood.
It's tragic if I lose you. I know how much you bring me joy. This is the only way that I can be certain.
My God.
He's not going to save me because I broke his heart.
Why'd you do that?
Because I'm in love with Flint.
At least she admits it.
I did it because I wanted to save Flint and I wanted to kill him.
So you're the one who hired Addison?
That's right.
Whoa! Did I come at a bad time?
위기의 순간 놀랍게도 스파이더맨이 나타나며 캣은 위기에서 벗어납니다.
Let's talk business.
Yeah, let's.
So why don't you give him the antidote and you give me my 2 G's and we can all be on our merry way.
Yeah.
How interesting.
How about we add one more?
I'm so sorry, Ben. I shouldn't have.
Quietly. Look what you had on her, boss.
You're right. This is much better.
This is what the fuss is all about, huh?
Bring her here. Why the hell did you do that? Give it here, buddy.
What, these?
I'm not in the business of explaining myself.
The spider's no threat now.
순간 레이든은 실버메인에게 복종하길 돌연 거부하는데
You're still with me, son. You both are. You know I would never touch a hair on her head.
Now his girlfriend, she knew what to do. He's not your friend, Flint. He's your puppet master. Look at him. Fighting to stay relevant. Let's see who's behind the mask.
The reporter.
Holy shit!
I get why you don't like this job.
실버메인은 혼란을 틈타 도망치고 캣은 그의 뒤를 바짝 추격합니다.
All right. Here goes nothing.
스파이더맨이 사투를 벌이는 사이 캣은 마침내 실버메인의 뒤를 잡는 데 성공합니다.
After all I did for you. Is this because of that dentist? I saved her life when I got rid of him. You sure can pick them, can't you?
I can pick my dresses.
I'm happy it's you.
마침내 캣은 실버메인을 단죄하지만 바깥의 싸움은 아직 끝나지 않았습니다.
No, I suppose I should thank you for giving me the one thing I always wanted.
You're not a star, but you are sick.
Save your cure for the sex. A spider, huh? Looks more like a dog to me. A bastard cur at that. some hero you turned out to be. My star turn on Broadway. Packed house, standing room only. Say goodbye to the spider, everyone. Stop! Oh, honey. No! Well. Tonight will be a double bill.
결국 강적 레이든이 파멸하며 모든 전투가 끝나고
Still have one left.
벤은 품속에 간직해둔 마지막 해독제를 플린트에게 건넵니다. 그렇게 평범한 인간으로 돌아온 플린트는 캣과 함께 멀리 떠나기로 하고
You're looking well.
Can we have a moment? I love Flint, but in a different world, I really would have run away with you.
It's another to try and keep him on the hook.
Go to hell, then.
I have, keeping it warm for you.
쓸쓸히 사라지는 벤의 모습을 비추며 스파이더 누아르의 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 덩치 산만하고 다 늙어버린 스파이더맨은 처음이시죠. 니콜라스 케이지의 노익장이 빛을 발한 작품 스파이더 누아르였습니다. 전형적인 히어로물의 공식을 깨부수며 하드보일드 탐정물의 진한 서사를 택한 게 인상적이었는데요. 거미줄 대신 묵직한 주먹과 총구가 오가는 장면이 더 많았고 니콜라스 케이지의 고독한 눈빛이 그 무게감을 완성시켰습니다. 작품은 스파이더맨 유니버스 시리즈 중 정말 드물게 평단과 일반 시청자 모두의 극찬을 받고 있고 흠잡을 곳 없는 배우들의 연기, 누아르풍의 깊이 있는 분위기와 흐름, 시대를 완벽히 표현한 시각 요소들까지 종합적으로 좋은 반응을 보이고 있습니다. 슈퍼 히어로물보단 범죄 스릴러물 쪽으로 접근하신다면 더 만족도가 높으실 거라 생각합니다. 스파이더 누아르 시즌 1은 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 시청할 수 있습니다. 감사합니다.